In this tutorial, I'm going to explain you what is a package manager and where this package managers will be used. So package manager generally is software or automation tools that will be used to install a software in an operating system. So these operating systems could be like mobile devices operating systems, or also can be Windows or Linux based operating systems. And these package managers also helps to update, install the softwares which is already created by developers. So it's easy with using package manager to manage a software. So there are a different kind of package management tools that we can use them. And what really they do is three main jobs, like they install the software that was just created by a developers or a company, and they can be also the same package manager will be used to update these softwares on the operating systems and also the package itself. And the one more important task is of a package manager which must do it is to remove a software. Let's take said you have a software that you installed and used it, but after a time you don't need it anymore, so you have the software must be removed from your operating systems. You can do it also manually, which you deleting this as files of this package or software. So it will be really hard to delete all the a part of these software from the operating systems. And they may have many dependencies on other softwares. So package manager will be an easy step to use it and remove all the softwares and dependencies that you don't need anymore. So package manager, why they will be used and how it will be used. So mostly the developers, they can use it. They will write their software and create their own software completely using on their own locally operating systems computers, and they will test it. So after the software is ready to use, so they will package the software with all dependencies and other software as all softwares that packages that will be also need to start the software and use it. So they will be all collected and packaged in a basically in a package with a different type of that. So for maybe it used for Linux-based operating systems. So this will be like Debian or Red Hat, and also it could be also for Windows, which will be the extension of .exe. So there are a few needs for that. So why it will be used and how it will be used is like save a lot of times once you create a software. So you create a package of that, and that will be used many times. And it's every kind of software we can put it in a package. So it depends if it's from a language based or it's a operating system based. So I will come to each of the in the next slide. What is operating system based and language based? So not only the programmers can use it, but everybody can use it and to make a package of a software. So operating system based packages are like package manager is like they will be used to create softwares for the operating systems specifically. So let's take it. The package manager for Windows is Nint and Chocolatey, or for Linux there are also apt like in Debian will be used, and Yum like will be like used in mostly in Zizu operating systems, which is also Linux based, and also in Red Hat there's another one which will be used, RMP. So and in the Mac operating systems, which is Apple company, so they will be used like Homebrew and MacPorts. They are also operating system based, but there are also others which will be used on language based. So you may also, if you are a developer, you may already use all of them or many of them. So like JavaScript use npm node package managers and Yarn, and for Python we have Pipe and Conda, and for PHP we have Composer, and Java also Gradle and Maven. So these package managers will be used to create the software after it's programmed, and then you can use many times this package on the operating system and install all the dependencies and what the software need to be started. So I hope you enjoyed the video and got something, so you can subscribe for the next tutorials on our channels. Thank you.